as you start to advance your turns, try challenging yourself to connect them together. So take a few different unique turns, use a fouette or an à la seconde to string them together. So today, Carter is going to start with a genie turn. From there, he's going to use a fouette, pulling into that 4-starch flick turn. Good. And then from there, we're going to use one more fouette, pulling in, going all the way through to a skater turn. Good. And just remember to keep that core tight, make sure we're watching our hip positions, and really using that plie through each fouette so you are maintaining that control on your center. And for more tips, make sure you go to our courses online.